max. In order to go to the next level, someone has to take you there. And so this is the other thing that I've learned being around those very wealthy people. They didn't start from scratch. Have you ever made a cake from scratch? Where you had to get who in here is a baker? If you're a baker, I know Stephanie Rosen, she bakes some show enough pound cakes, right? Now, when you make that bad boy from scratch, you got to go get the ingredients, right? Now, what if you didn't have a recipe? What happens when you don't have a recipe? That's the point. We have not had a recipe for financial success, because those recipe books, how many of you have had, like my Aunt Maggie passed away 2 years ago, and my Aunt Maggie could make some macaroni and cheese. My mother passed away. So I had to keep those recipes. Are y'all with me? Because if I try to make it from memory, it's not going to come out like my mama's. Because she had a certain way of doing things. She would take the macaroni and cheese, boil it. Then before she wouldn't take all the water out, she would put some of the cheese in, and she would stir that around. See, if you didn't do it that way, you're not going to make mama's macaroni and cheese. So all I'm trying to tell all of you is that we were never given the recipe for financial success. No, let me take that back. We were given the recipe they wanted us to have. And that recipe basically wanted for us to be earners and not owners. Are you with me? Because I got to go back to I got to go back to them. Middle class mindset, earners. Wealth mindset, owners. Owning assets. I want you to get that. You guys get that? So here's what I want you to know.